Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. I really need you to actually subscribe. I really need it. You can also make your comments, like, and also share this video. I would love that. So let's take a look at EURJPY. Personally, with this, I think this movement would be a bit difficult for us to actually predict. If you would want to trade any JPY pairs, I'm going to recommend two JPY pairs you should actually trade. One is CAD JPY and the second one is New Zealand dollar JPY. Check the channel, I've done videos on that. We are very much likely to get better move on CAD JPY and New Zealand JPY compared to this EURJPY, because like I said, it is a bit difficult for us to actually predict. Now, why I'm saying so, let's start with the weekly time frame. So guys, we can see that I've highlighted some levels, right? We can see that kind of like this level of kind of like a key level we should not ignore. Price has come to tap it multiple times and found a rejection there. Also, this level also it is not a level we should ignore. You can see we've once found a rejection at this level. We've also found a rejection at this level. Now, price is actually getting close to this same level. We are very much likely to find a rejection at this level, whereby price will drop down, and there's every possibility that price will actually break above it. That is why I said this PS we should be very careful about trading this PS. Like I said, be very careful. Price is very much likely to, of course, it will push up a bit, no doubt about that. Euro JPY will go bullish a bit, but once maybe probably like 20 pips, I won't say 20 to 50 pips, let's say within that range. Then once it gets to that level, there's every possibility we will now start having that fall, or Euro JPY will start going bullish. So be very careful. Down to the daily time frame. So basically, I've also highlighted some levels. We can see it here. All these levels that I've highlighted, that once price comes, we tend to find a rejection, so price will down drop. And when you take a look at these movements, right, there's every possibility, like I said, we are very much likely to have a correction or a pullback or a drop to actually even come to take this 10 period simple moving average, tap it, and possibly break below it or go bullish. That is why I said, if if I'm to give an advice to take this, to trade this, personally I would say no. If you want to go ahead and trade it, you can go ahead and do that. It's up to you. But personally, I would say you should actually cancel this trade. This trade is actually a no-no. So this is what I will be expecting on this Euro JPY. Kind of, price will push up a bit, then price will come down. This is exactly what I'm very sure of. Then it will now be up to the price to actually continue to go bullish or actually drop. So now let's see what this 4 hour time frame is saying. So price is actually, you can see this massive move price was literally giving us before. But right now we're having kind of like a little movement, because we are kind of getting like to a kind of like a level here, major level, which is more visible on the daily time frame and weekly time frame. So that is why I said we are very much likely to drop or to go bullish. So that is what I have for you on EURJPY. To those that have not yet become my Patreon subscriber, I'm going to put a link in the comment section. What I'm going to be doing there is putting out trade, probability trade. If in case you're actually taking trade, you are losing, one thing I'm going to do is put out trade for the day. I'm going to also be sharing my trade for the day and also trade for the week. 2 weeks ago, we actually had a wonderful trade. Last week, we also had a good trade. This week, we are going to be having a super wonderful trade. So if in case you are interested, with just 20 USD, you'll become a subscriber. You'll get trade for the day and also trade for the week. And one of the amazing things is that if there's any other PS, apart from the one that I'll be giving out, that you would want to trade, I am not really sure of, you can come meet me, tell me what I think would be the entry point, or what I think you should actually do, to kind of that trade. Or if you want me to help you analyze a particular trade, I can actually do that once you are my subscriber. So like I said, give it a try. The link will be in the comments section.